Hello everyone, my name is Sainath Kaspa, lecturer in mathematics. In this video, we discuss about the KCET 2020. Paper code is A4. In this second part, we discuss the question number 21 to 40. Problem number 21. If integration 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. We have to find the ABC values here. That purpose, I'll use the partial fraction method. Here 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. It is equal to, we can write a by x minus 1 into plus b by x minus 2 into plus c by x minus 3. So now here we have to make the LCM. If you take the LCM, a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. This side 3x plus 1 divided by numerator denominator get cancelled, you will get. So now shortcut method I will use here. Put x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 if you are substituting. Left side you will get the 7 is equal to right side this value 0 and here value also 0. Next, if you are substituting b into what you will get? B into 1 minus 1. B is equal to minus 7 we got. Next, put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1. Left side you will get 4 is equal to right side a into 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Remaining two values here 0. Here also 0 you will get. So if you simplify, total answer is a is equal to 2 you will get. Next, put x is equal to 3. 3 if you are substituting left side 10 you will get, and here first value a value 0 will get, b value also 0 will get. Next, c value will get c into 2 into 1. c is equal to 5. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 5. Option A is the correct answer. Next, problem number 22. The value of integration e power sin x into sin 2x dx is. So here integration e power sin x, sin 2x write as a 2 sin x into cos x dx. So put sin x is equal to t. Derivation with respect to x, what you will get here? Cos x dx is equal to dt you will get. So now 2 integration e power t, sin x is t, cos x dx is dt. Cos x dx is dt. I will apply here UV formula. I will use the Euler method to solve this UV method. T integration of e power t is e power t minus integration of derivation t is 1. E power t integration is e power t dt. This is the UV formula applied here. So now 2 into t e power t minus integration e power t plus c. So now if you take the e power t common, e power t into t minus 1 plus c. E power t, t is nothing but sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c. So now you can see the option 2 into e power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus C. Option B is the correct answer. 23. The area of region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to 2x is. Time saving result is there. Y square is equal to 4ax. Parabola. Y is equal to mx. It is a line passing through the origin. Then the area formula is 8a square by 3m cube. So here compare the equation, given equation with this equation. 4a is equal to 8, you will get a is equal to 2 and m is equal to also 2. So a value 2, m value 2. Substitute in this formula. 8 into 2 square divided by 3 into 2 cube. Here 2 square 2 cube cancel. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So 4 by 3 square units is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next, problem number 24. The value of integration minus 1 by pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x dx is. So I'll use here this formula. Integration a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. This is the definite integrals property. So I'll use here, I'll take as a I first given question. I is equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x divided by 1 plus e power x dx. I'll use this formula. Integration minus 1 by 2 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos of a plus b. Here if you add minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 0 you will get, and minus x remains divided by 1 plus e power minus x dx. Next, it is equal to integration minus 1 by 2 to minus pi by 2 cos of minus x is cos x divided by, I'll make this simplification, e power x plus 1 into e power x. Reverse I am making, again dx. So this is also I value and first one we took also I value. So both add, I'll make here. I plus I is equal to integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x by e power x plus 1 plus e power x into cos x by e power x plus 1. Just first one and result adding now. To take the common here, what is the common here? Cos x is the common value. If you take numerator cos x common, 1 plus e power x divided by 1 plus e power x dx. 1 plus e power x, 1 plus e power x get cancel. So now integration of cos x is sin x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus sin of minus pi by 2. So total it will become sin pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 1, this is also 1. 2i, I plus I is 2i is equal to 2. I value is 1. D is the correct answer. Next, problem number 25. The value of integration 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx is. So here already time saving result is there. So answer, direct answer is there, pi by 4 log root 2. But here option does not match it. So answer, the result we have to make some small simplification. Log root 2 is we can write as a 2 power 1 by 2. Log a power m formula I will apply. Pi by 4 into 1 by 2 log 2. That is nothing but pi by 8 log 2. Pi by 8 log 2. Option A is the correct answer. We can use normal simplification also, but that is a lengthy method. Next, problem number 26. The general solution of differential equation is, here dx terms total, one side I'll make it, that is equal to 2xy dx plus x power 4 cos x dx. X square dy is equal to dx, if you are taking common, 2xy plus x power 4 cos x will get. So dx send left side, dy by dx is equal to x square send right side, denominator you will get 2y by x, cancellation, here 1 x square cancel, remaining x square cos x. So next step, I'll make the dy by dx plus this value send left side, minus 2x into y is equal to x square cos x. This is in the standard form. Compare with dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Here p is equal to minus 2 by x and q value is this one. So next, we have to find the general solution. For that purpose, if integrating factor is equal to e power integration p dx, that is equal to e power integration minus 2x dx. Minus 2 right outside, this value is log x. If you make the total simplification, 1 by x square is the integrating factor. So now general solution we have to write. General solution formula is y into integrating factor is equal to integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. So y into integrating factor 1 by x square is equal to q into x square, q means x square cos x, into 1 by x square dx plus c. Here x square get cancel. Next step simplification we have to make, y by x square is equal to integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Y is equal to x square, if you send right side, x square sin x plus c x square. So now we have to check the option here. Option B is the correct answer. Next, problem number 27. The area of the region bounded by the line y is equal to 2x plus 1 x-axis and the coordinates x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. By this one, I'll draw the diagram. X is equal to minus 1 line I drawn and x is equal to 1 line I drawn. Next, solve the first equation, second equation and first equation, third equation. If you solve, the points you will get, and the intersection points also, x-axis intersection point, y-axis intersection point I find it. Now by this diagram you observe, here two triangles is there, first triangle and second triangle is there. So required area is nothing but two triangles area. So required area is equal to A is equal to area of triangle half into base into height. The small triangle, first triangle area is half into base. Base is nothing but here minus 1 to minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2. Negative only for indication of right side, left side. No need to take the negative. Base into height. Height is 1 plus big triangle, second triangle area is half into base. Base you observe, this is 1 and this is half. 1 plus 1 by 2 is the base. That is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into height. Height is 3. Height is 3. Now we make the simplification. 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 is equal to 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, option D is the correct answer. Now problem number 28. The order of differential equation obtained by the eliminating arbitrary constants in the family of curve. We have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. So now C1y is equal to C2 plus C3 into e power C4 into e power x we can write. Bases are equal, power should be added condition. Next, y is equal to C2 plus C3 into e power 4 divided by C1 into e power x. Y is equal to m into e power x. This is a total constant I am taking as a m. So now how many constants is there? Only one constant. So order is equal to 1. So option B is the correct answer. Next, problem number 29. If A and B are unit vectors and the angle between A bar and B bar, then we have to find the sin theta by 2. Here unit vectors means magnitude of A bar is equal to magnitude of B bar is equal to 1. Now I will use the formula magnitude of A bar minus B bar whole square is equal to magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square minus 2 into A bar dot B bar. So magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square minus 2 into magnitude of A bar magnitude of B bar into cos theta So now magnitude of A bar is 1, B bar also 1, minus 2 into 1 cos theta. If you take common 2, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is 2 into 2 sin square theta by 2. We need sin square theta by 2 answer. So equal to magnitude of A bar minus magnitude of B bar whole square divided by 4. Next, we need just sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2. If you send square this side, root it will become. So square root get cancel. Magnitude of A bar minus B bar divided by 2. So now correct option is D. Next, problem number 30. The curve passing through the point 1, 2 given that the slope of the tangent at any point x, y is dy by dx by 2x by y represents. That is nothing but slope is nothing but dy by dx is equal to how much they given 2x by y. So separate the variable separable method. Dy is equal to 2x into dx, integrating on both sides. So what you'll get, integration of y is y square by 2 is equal to 2 into x square by 2 plus c. Here 2 get cancel, y square by 2 minus x square is equal to c we got. This is nothing but it is in the form of hyperbola. Hyper is the correct answer. Next, problem number 31. The two vectors represent the two sides AB bar AC bar in a triangle ABC. Then the length of the median through the point A is. Length of the median is nothing but AD length we have to find. So median formula is there here. AD bar is equal to AB bar plus AC bar by 2. So AD bar is equal to AB bar plus AC bar. Here first one represents the AB bar, second one represents the AC bar. So add the two, I cap plus I cap, 2 I cap, J cap plus 3 J cap is 4 J cap plus k cap plus 5k cap is 6k cap divided by 2. So if you make the simplification, this one 2 take common, I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So what is this? This is the median. So length of the median is nothing but what we have to find? Magnitude we have to find. Square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4 plus 1. So root 14. Root 14 is the length of the median. So option A is the correct answer. Next, problem number 32. The point 1 comma minus 3 comma 4 lies in which octant? 3D geometry it will we will call as a octants. So direct, if you know direct octant you can write, otherwise one shortcut method is there for remembering. So first of all write down the 8 octants and xyz. So here plus minus minus plus plus minus minus plus is the x-axis sign. Next y-axis is plus plus minus minus plus plus minus minus is the y-axis signs. Next z-axis plus 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 minus 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 minus. So now you observe question plus minus plus plus minus plus, fourth octant is there. So option D is the correct answer. Next, problem number 33. If the vectors, 3 vectors they given are coplanar, then the value of lambda we have to find. Coplanar means triple product, scalar triple product is equal to 0. Scalar triple product how we will find? By using the determinant concept. So determinant, coefficients we have to write 2, minus 3, 4, 2, 1, minus 1. Next, lambda minus 1, 2 is equal to 0. So now you have to make the simplification for this one. We will get 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 4 minus into minus plus lambda. Normal simplification only we have to make here. 4 into minus 2 and minus lambda equal to 0. So next here simplify, 2 will get plus 12 plus 3 lambda minus 8 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. So make it simplification. 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 3 lambda minus 4 lambda minus lambda is equal to 0, implies lambda is equal to 6 is the answer. So now you can see the option here. Option B is the correct answer. Next, problem number 34. Magnitude of a bar cross b bar square plus magnitude of a bar dot b bar square is equal to 144 and magnitude of a bar is 6. Then what is the magnitude of b bar? So for that purpose here, time saving result is there. I'll use the time saving result here. We can write in place of magnitude of a bar cross b bar square plus magnitude of a bar dot b bar square is equal to magnitude of a bar square dot magnitude of b bar square. Already value they given, that is 144. Magnitude of a bar is 6. 6 square is 36 into magnitude of b bar square is equal to 144. So 36 4s are 144. Magnitude of b bar is equal to 2. So option D is the correct answer. Next, problem number 35. The sine angle between the straight line and the plane. Straight line and plane. This is from 3D geometry. Sin theta formula I wrote here. Sin theta is equal to mod b bar dot n bar by magnitude of b bar dot magnitude of n bar. So by the given straight line I wrote here b bar. Why? Because direction cosines 3 minus 4 is there, but standard form we have to convert this one. Y minus 3 by 4 you will get, and 5. So 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap is the b bar, and n bar is 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So now I'll find the b bar dot n bar, that is 3 2 ja 6 minus 8 plus 5. So b bar dot n bar is equal to how much you'll get? B bar dot n bar is 3. So next we have to find the magnitudes of b bar and n bar. Magnitude of b bar is square root of 9 plus 16 plus 25, that is equal to root 50 you will get, root 50. Next we have to find the magnitude of n bar also. N bar magnitude is 4 plus 1, that is root 9, that is value is 3. So these all values we have to substitute in the formula. Sin theta is equal to, you will get sin theta is equal to mod 3 divided by root 50 into 3. That is nothing but 3 get cancel, 1 by root 50, that is nothing but 25 into 2, 1 by 5 root 2. Multiply and divided with root 2, you will get the root 2 by 10, root 2 by 10. So option A is the correct answer. Next, problem number 36. If a line makes an angle pi by 3 with the x-axis and y-axis, x-axis angle, y-axis angle both same, so I'll take alpha is equal to beta is equal to pi by 3. Then acute angle made by the z-axis how much? So we know the relation between the direction cosines, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So now alpha beta is equal to how much is there? Pi by 3. Cos alpha, cos 60 degrees, that is nothing but 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square gamma we have to find. So cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus, you will get here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is total, if you simplify 1 by 2 will get, that side you send negative. So next cos square gamma is equal to 1 by 2. Cos gamma is equal to 1 by root 2. So gamma is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. So option B is the correct answer. Next, problem number 37. The distance of a point 1, 2, minus 4 from the line, given line is. So now distance means shortest distance, perpendicular drawn from the point to line. So that distance we have to find. For that purpose, line equation equate to k. You will get the x, y, z values here. So that are the points of B. So now direction ratios, drs of AB we have to find. drs of AB is x2 minus x1. So 2k plus 3 minus 1, that is 2k plus 2. Next 3k plus 3 minus 2, 3k plus 1. 6k minus 5 plus 4, minus 5 plus 4 is 6k minus 1. So these are the direction ratios of AB. Next A1, A2, B1, B2 we have the perpendicular is there, na? So that's why A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0. So A1 here 2 into 2k plus 2 plus 3 into 3k plus 1 plus 6 into 6k plus 6k minus 1 is equal to 0. So A1, A2 are the direction ratios of line 2, 3 and 6 here. So next A2, A3, A2, B2, C2 are we find it. So now we have to make the simplification for this one. We will get here 4k plus 4, 4k plus 4 plus 9k plus 3 plus 36k minus 6 is equal to 0. So make the total simplification here. 49k will get 49k plus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 1 by 49. So now we have to find the AB bar vector. AB bar vector. AB bar is equal to 2k plus 2 is there. 2k plus 2 direction ratios into I cap. 2 into minus 1 by 49 into I cap plus 2 into I cap plus 3 into minus 1 by 49 plus 1 into j cap plus next 6 into minus 1 by 49 minus 1. Make the simplification here. AB bar is equal to 96 by 49 I cap plus 46 by 49 j cap plus 43 by 49 k cap. This is the vector AB bar. Length means we have to find the magnitude. AB bar is equal to square root of 96 by 49 whole square plus 46 by 49 whole square plus 43 by 49 whole square. Total simplification we have to make here. We will get square root of 9216 plus 2116 plus 3025 divided by 49 whole square. So total answer you will get here root 293 divided by 7. So correct option is B. This is only highest lengthy problem in the total paper. Next, problem number 38. The feasible region of an LPP shown in the figure. If Z is equal to 11x plus 7y, then the maximum value of Z. Maximum value find purpose. First of all, we have to find the corner points. Here, how many corner points is there? Total 3 corner points is there. The 3 corner points how we will find? On y-axis is there. Y-axis x value is 0. So, in first equation, x equals 0 if you substitute. X is equal to 0 in first equation. We will get y is equal to 5. So 0 comma 5 is the one critical point. Next, x is equal to 0 in second line equation. 3y is equal to 9. That is nothing but y is equal to 3 you will get. So 0 if you substitute, 3 you will get. Next, intersection point is there. Intersection point, if you solve the two equations, x plus 3y is equal to 9, x plus y is equal to 5. Subtraction make 2y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 substitute in any one equation. X equal to 3 you will get. So 3 comma 2 also one critical point. So total 3 critical points is there. We have to substitute in Z is equal to 11x plus 7y. If you substitute the 0 comma 5 if you substitute, you will get answer 35. 0 comma 5 if you substitute. Next, 0 comma 3 substitute, you will get answer is 21. Next, 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 substitute, 33 plus 14, 47. So highest value is 47 when we are getting up to 3 comma 2. So option A is the correct answer. Next, problem number 39. Corner points of the feasible region are 0 comma 3, 1 comma 1, 3 comma 0 and Z is equal to given Px plus Qy. Consider condition on PQ so that the minimum of Z occurs at 3 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Minimum value at 2 points. So just we have to substitute there. So P into 3 plus 0 is equal to P into 1 plus Q into 1. Both are equal. Minimum at 2 points. So that's why 3P is equal to P plus Q. If you simplify, you will get here 2P is equal to Q. P is equal to Q by 2. So the condition is P is equal to Q by 2. Option C is the correct answer. Next, problem number 40. If A and B are two events such that P of A equal to 1 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 2, P of A intersection B is 1 by 6. Then we have to find the P of A dash by B. P of A dash by B. P of A dash by B. That is nothing but 1 minus P of A by B. Conditional probability formula, P of A intersection B divided by P of B. So 1 minus P of A intersection B value is 1 by 6 divided by P of B value is 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 1 minus 1 by 3, that is nothing but 2 by 3. So option B is the correct answer.